Ha baby, sina një lately, shkundi mu i spam, edhe dhe I treti. Sanet po ndrojnë të më nuk koni njeti. Kaj është jam, jam a jo bashiketi. Leti shoqet që të
What is up guys, it's Nash here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can remove black bars from your video when you're editing your video on Android. Now this is very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and download this app called Filmora Go. I believe most of you will know this app. It's a very nice video editor, so you just download the app. Now once you download this app, all you have to do is follow what I do. Now click on create new video. By the way, the link of this app will be in the description, so make sure you go click on the link and download it. Now click on create new video, and once you click on create new video, you have to choose, of course, the video that have a black bar. You can see this is my previous video, and one of my previous videos, and as you can see, there's a black bar in the video, and we want to remove it like very easy. So all you have to do is click on add. After you choose the video, click on add, and you can see it jumps right into the left bottom corner. Now just click on that and click on the video and click on next. Click on next, and once you click on next, it's gonna check the file process and whatever. I don't know what it's doing, but it's gonna look like this. Now don't be worried that your video is gonna be like this. Don't be worried, okay? All you just have to do is go to the ratio crop. As you can see here, click on ratio crop, and now just click on 16 by 19 or whatever the name is. Okay, 16 by 9, as you can see there. Make sure you choose this one. You see I changed it and it looks a bit weird, so make sure you choose that one, and then just click on cut sides. As you can see, it's easy and very simple. Now once you click on cut side, your video will just be like this. You can see how my video looks like right now. You see that it's there is no more black bars, and there's like a kind of fade option on the black bars, whatever. But you guys see, it's very easy to remove black bars on Android when editing a video, and this is a nice video editor. But if you want to use another video editor, I recommend you use KineMaster. But anyways, thank you guys so much. I showed you what I wanted to show you in this video, so thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to this channel if you're new. I just hit 200 subscribers, and which is awesome to me. So once you're done, just click on save, as you can see on the right corner, and that will get the job done. So thank you so much for watching once again. I'll see you guys on the next one.